The money you receive from a reverse mortgage can be used for whatever purpose you like. But what are the options for receiving it?
There are 4 ways: lump sum, line of credit, term payments, and tenure payments.
Now let's talk about each one of those individually. First, you could do a lump sum, which is all the money at once.
Next, you can receive a line of credit, where the money is available to borrow simply by requesting that money be sent to you. You can use the money as quickly or as slowly as you like. The benefit of a line of credit is that interest will only accrue on what you use as you use it.
The line of credit has an exciting feature that allows you to increase the amount of money that's available to you each year. Ask me about that when you call.
Next, you can receive term payments, or monthly payments for a specific amount of time until the money's gone. And finally, you can receive tenure payments, or monthly payments for as long as you live in the home.
You can choose any of these options, or a combination of them, and I can help you determine which one is best for you when we meet. First, I'll meet with you to show you how much you'll qualify for, based on your age and an estimate of your home's value.
We'll discuss the different options for receiving the money and provide you with a booklet and info that you need in order to schedule your counseling appointment. We'll use this time to answer your questions and go over the program in detail. Nothing can be signed at this meeting. I'm just there to provide information and answer your questions. Next, you'll call to schedule your counseling appointment. The counseling can be done over the phone or in person with an approved FHA counselor and takes about 45 minutes. They'll ask you questions about your financial situation and answer your questions and help to determine if you're making the right choice. Once counseling has been completed, I'll meet with you a second time to complete the application and go over disclosures that inform you about your rights when borrowing money and other things you should know.
We'll determine how much money you'd like to get at closing and if you'd like to get monthly disbursements.
From there, we'll order your appraisal. An appraiser will call you to schedule an appointment to meet you at your home. The appraiser will measure the outside of your home to determine its square footage and will inspect the home inside to get the floor plan and take some pictures of the interior and exterior.
Whether or not your house is clean will have very little effect on the value, if any, so please don't worry about that.
The appraiser will compare your home to 3 or 4 other homes in your neighborhood that have sold recently that are most similar to your house. They'll make adjustments to the sales prices of the homes for things your house has that the other houses don't have, and vice versa, to come up with the value. Depending on the condition of your home, the appraiser may note major problems like roof damage or peeling paint that could get worse and cause more serious damage to the home. Once the appraisal comes back, we'll rerun the numbers to reflect the actual appraised value, which will change the amount of money you get either up or down. If the appraisal comes in higher than we estimated, you'll get more money. If lower, you'll get less money.
I'll make these adjustments and I'll call you to arrange a short meeting to sign some updated disclosures with these updated numbers. It just takes a few minutes.
From there, we submit the loan to underwriting to be reviewed and approved.
When the underwriter is finished, I'll receive a conditional approval.
Most of the conditions I can handle without your help, but some might require some input from you. An explanation of something or a piece of documentation that you can provide to me. I'll contact you if necessary. I'll then submit all of the conditions to the underwriter for review. Once they are signed off, we are clear to close. We're ready to create final documents for signature. I'll accompany you to the title company to sign these final documents in front of a notary. Or we can do this in your home if you have trouble traveling.
Your current mortgage will be paid off if applicable, and any money you wanted to receive up front will be dispersed to you after the 3-day waiting period. During the loan process, I'll be in contact with you at least once a week to keep you updated on our progress.
Our first meeting is very informal and will not require any commitments be made. Nothing will be signed. I'll only be there to answer questions and show you how a reverse mortgage would apply to your situation and to give you an idea if you might qualify. So if your mortgage payment is cramping your style, call me right now and let's see if you can pay it off for good. Or if your house is paid for and you're watching your savings dwindle away, call me right now to get some more cash into your budget. If you've lost your spouse and you need to make up some income, call me right now and let's get some more income coming your way.
If you're dreading becoming a burden on your children, you don't have to with the reverse mortgage.
Or if you'd rather just spend your kids' inheritance so they won't be able to fight over it, call me right now.
One of my clients was asked by one of his friends, "Why are you getting a reverse mortgage? Don't you want to leave money for your kids?" And he said, "Heavens no! I want my kids to be sad when I die."
Stand up. Take control. You're in charge. Decide right now to stop suffering.
A reverse mortgage from Legend Reverse Mortgage may be the answer to your financial problems. Contact Mark Hammond, the financial planner's choice, today.
I'm not just some person on the phone 5 states away that you'll never meet. I actually live in Utah. I've been in business for 20 years, and I have a good reputation in the community.